Welcome! In this video, we're diving into the latest Telegram update and showing you exactly how to reopen a topic in your group using the Telegram app on your PC. If you're an admin and you've accidentally closed a topic or just want to bring an old discussion back to life, this step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account that has admin rights in the group where you want to manage topics. Next, navigate to the group by selecting it from your chat list. Only group admins have the ability to manage topics, so double-check that you have the right permissions before moving forward. Once you're inside the group chat, look at the list of topics. Find the topic you want to reopen. If you don't see the topics list, make sure the group has the topics feature enabled. This feature is designed to keep your group organized by splitting conversations into separate threads, making it easier for everyone to stay on track. Now, here's the key step. Right-click on the topic you want to reopen. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, simply select Reopen Topic. That's it. The topic will instantly become active again, and your group members will be able to join the conversation as usual. Reopening a topic is perfect if you want to revisit an old discussion, address new questions, or just keep your group's conversations organized and accessible. Remember, you can manage topics at any time, so don't worry if you need to close and reopen them as your group's needs change. With this new update, Telegram makes it easier than ever for admins to keep group discussions flowing smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on making the most of Telegram's powerful features. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.